Snail Mucin. Yeah, you've definitely seen it everywhere. It's one of those buzzy skincare ingredients that, let's be honest, sounds a little weird. But what if I told you there's some actual science behind its power to repair your skin? Well, that's what we're going to get into. Let's dive into how this pretty unique ingredient can be a total game changer for your skin barrier.
But before we get into the solution, let's talk about the problem. Let's talk about your skin. Does it ever feel constantly tight? Or maybe it's suddenly reactive to products you've used for years? Or maybe it just isn't bouncing back with that healthy glow like it used to. If you're sitting there nodding along, then you are in exactly the right place.
Okay, so first things first, we have to identify the problem. We're going to look at the classic signs that your skin's protective barrier might be, well, compromised and in need of some serious backup. So think about it. Are you dealing with any of this? That feeling of tightness even after you moisturize? Sudden sensitivity out of nowhere? Dryness that just will not quit? Or maybe just a dull, kind of rough texture? These are all little clues. They're basically your skin's way of sending up a flare, telling you its first line of defense is struggling.
Now that we kind of know what the problem looks like, let's introduce the hero of our story. And yeah, it might be a surprising one, but Snail Mucin is an incredibly effective and really gentle solution for getting your skin back on the right track.
So what even is it? It's the filtered goo, substance, that snails naturally create to protect and heal themselves from things like cuts and just drying out. And it's really important to know, this stuff is collected ethically. The snails aren't harmed, they just kind of cruise around, do their thing, and we get all the skin-loving benefits. Let's just break this down real quick. The main things it does: hydration, soothing, and speeding up cell repair. That makes it perfect for skin that's dry, sensitive, or just plain compromised. And look, the science is solid and it's getting stronger. You can expect to feel that hydration almost right away, with the deeper repair work kicking in over just a few weeks.
I want to pause on this number for a second. A 7 out of 10 for evidence strength is actually a really big deal. It means the research is super promising, with study after study backing up its benefits for hydration and wound healing. So no, this isn't just hype, it's a legit, well-researched ingredient. So how in the world does it actually work? Okay, in this next part, we're gonna get a little geeky. We're gonna look at what's actually inside Snail Mucin that makes it so ridiculously good at soothing and repairing your skin.
See, it's not just one thing, it's this natural cocktail of amazing compounds. You've got glycoproteins for structure, hyaluronic acid for that deep moisture, allantoin for soothing, copper peptides for collagen support, and zinc to calm inflammation. It's the whole team working together that makes it so darn effective. I absolutely love this analogy. Think of those glycoproteins we just mentioned. Think of them like scaffolding for your skin. They create this moisture-holding web that literally holds your skin's structure together, which is what keeps it looking plump, feeling hydrated, and staying strong. So here's how it all comes together in this awesome 3-step process. First, it creates this super light film on your skin to stop water from escaping. Second, it actually signals your skin to make more of its own good stuff, like ceramides. And third, it hits the gas on cell repair. It's a total all-around approach to healing. All right, enough science. Now for the really fun part, what results can you actually expect to see in the mirror? Let's talk about the journey from that instant hit of hydration to building real long-term skin strength. So what should you expect and when? Well, you'll feel that satisfying, plump hydration within a few days. But the real magic, we're talking less redness, smoother texture, and a stronger barrier, that happens over the next 2 to 8 weeks. So remember, patience and consistency are everything here.
So who is this really for? Well, it's an absolute powerhouse for anyone with dry, dehydrated, or sensitive skin. And it's especially fantastic if you've maybe gone a little too hard on the exfoliants or retinoids and need to repair that compromised barrier. It also gives some great support for mature skin too.
Okay, last section. Let's say you're sold, but how do you actually use it? This is your practical playbook for getting the most out of Snail Mucin and sliding it right into your routine.
This is so important. Order matters in skincare, right? You want to put your Snail Mucin essence or serum on right after cleansing and toning. That's when your skin is primed to just drink it up. Then you lock all that goodness in with your moisturizer and of course your SPF in the morning.
And here's the simplest but honestly most important tip of all. Just use it every day. Morning, night, both, whatever works for you. That consistency is what takes your skin from feeling hydrated for a little while to being truly strong and repaired for the long haul. Let's bust a quick myth.
A lot of people think Snail Mucin is just another hydrator, kind of like a simple hyaluronic acid serum. But the truth is, it is a multitasking powerhouse that actively supports cell repair. It does so much more than just add moisture.
And hey, for all my oily skin friends out there, please don't be scared off. Another myth is that it's going to be heavy or slimy. In reality, most formulas are incredibly lightweight, they have this beautiful gel texture, and they're non-comedogenic. That means they will not clog your pores.
Want to level up its effects? Snail Mucin plays beautifully with other ingredients. Pair it with hyaluronic acid for an extra flood of hydration, niacinamide to really lock in that strong barrier you're building, and peptides to double down on firmness. It's like building a skincare super team.
When you boil it all down, this quote really says it all. If your skin is struggling, if it's irritated, if it's compromised, Snail Mucin offers a truly gentle and effective path back to health. It's not about being harsh, it's about smart, supportive repair. So I'm going to leave you with this question. After everything we've talked about, the science, the real-world benefits, how simple it is to use, could this strange little ingredient really be the straightforward secret to the strong, happy skin you've been looking for? Something to think about.